Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these see-through legs on Dress to Impress. So this is the final product, and let's get started with the video. I'm just going to delete the items first so you guys can see what I put on. Okay, so you do need VIP for this. We are going to use this dress. Let's put that on. And then you can either use the default or basic toggle. I'm just going to use the basic one here. And then go out here. And then you're going to select this dress. And then as you can see, it already removed the legs. But I'm just going to add some fishnets to make it even more clear, even clearer. And I'm going to also layer these stockings on. You can select any color you want for it, of course. Then I'm also going to add these to the mix just to make it look prettier. And that is pretty much it, really. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.